Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer on Pokémon Black and White. To begin, you will need two Nintendo DS, DS Lite, DSi, DSi XL, 3DS, 3DS XL, 2DS, or new 3DS systems, each with a copy of either Pokémon Black or Pokémon White. Ensure both systems are charged and within close proximity, typically within 10 to 15 feet, for a stable connection. This method allows for direct interaction between players, enabling various in-game activities. To set up a local wireless connection, first open your C-Gear menu within the game. This is accessible from the bottom screen of your Nintendo DS system. Once the C-Gear is active, tap the wireless option. From there, select DS Wireless to search for other players in your immediate vicinity. Both players must perform these steps simultaneously to establish a connection. This creates a direct link, allowing for seamless multiplayer experiences without an internet connection. Once connected via local wireless, you can engage in several exciting multiplayer activities. The most popular options are battling and trading. To battle, simply approach the Union Room attendant and select the battle option. For trading, speak to the trade attendant in the Union Room. You can also participate in various minigames, like the feeling check or tag mode, to enhance your multiplayer experience. These interactions are crucial for completing your Pokédex and testing your team's strength. When playing multiplayer, always ensure both players have authentic game cartridges to avoid connection issues. Keeping your Nintendo DS systems within a range of about 10 to 15 feet is vital for a stable and uninterrupted connection. It is important to note that the original online services for Pokémon Black and White, which utilize the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, have been discontinued. Therefore, local wireless play remains the sole method for direct multiplayer interaction in these classic titles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.